signal back in. Pull the truck on the second. This wheel rolls.
Go, everybody get your cameras out.
You know, I wonder if that's why it won't start, because it won't free roll.
It's possible.
It's in neutral, but we can't get the wheels to roll, so. Pop the hood on this bad boy here.
There we go. Doing a video of the view of the video of Kevin's video. Does that make sense?
Yeah, look at two cameras. Two cameras. Yeah. Did you do a walk around with your camera yet? Because you're getting one.
A little bit.
Oh, geez. Oh. That's going to be freaky. If you guys watch both videos, you can see yourselves. Or something like that. I don't know.
In there.
Eh.
No. No. It's like a trap. It's a trap.
It's a steel trap like my mind. What? T-Bird. So, yeah. A little rust on the pulleys down in there. Get both cameras angled the right way here. Yeah. Ooh, a Les Schwab lawn and garden. Throw that on a charger too and see.
See if she's any good. If not, I'll have to buy a fucking. Have to
A
buy a battery.
friggin' battery.
Yeah, starter solenoid down there. Not sure where I'm going to put the beer.
Murray Incorporated, model 38710A, manufacture date 99/144. So I'm gonna guess the year 1999, maybe.
Oh, that gas
And-
is disgusting. You just need to drain that out.
Manufactured in Lawrenceburg, Tennessee.
Made in America, baby.
38464, United States, America.
America.
You know what? Here's part of an issue too. The kill switch is disconnected on the seat.
Oh, that's fine. Usually, if you just unplug it, you're good.
Well, that may be why it would start though too.
No, like you said, it ran.
But
It would run.
did it run because the kill switch was plugged in?
Probably not. I think if you unplug them, it overrides them.
His dad had to, I forget what he had to do to his, but he couldn't just unplug it.
Just jump it then.
Yeah, jump it. Let's jump it.
Yeah. Alright, let's pull this little deal off.
Okay, well, let's get your cameras back over here. There's all the traffic out here tonight. Look at that. You're even all set up for the...
Perfect.
So I'm going to shut mine off, and we'll just have to watch Kevin's video to see the exciting deal here. So.
Yeah. Weed. Growing weed.
Yeah, man.
Let's see how easy you want to come off. Which way you go. Just either way. Ooh,
Don't break it.
I know. Will it come right off? Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. Look at that crud in there.
What's it attached to? Just a fuel?
Oh, that's just a... I saw the white thing. I thought it may have been...
Yeah, I think I need to... Yeah, lots of water in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I definitely need to drain that up. Oh, I'm just draining the tank right now.
There you go.
It actually doesn't... a little... not too much crud in there.
It looks like gravy.
Yeah, it's just all watery.
Maybe you want a drink?
That was stupid.
Hey, do that again. I didn't get that on camera.
I'll pass.
We here at Pearson Brothers Lawnmower Maintenance are not always the brightest. Some of us, anyway.
You know, with the last name of Pearson.
Yeah. You can just use that to drain your tank, can't you?
Yeah, I could. I'm not gonna do it right now.
I'll go find it. I want to hear this thing run.
You want to hear it run? I think your fuel's supposed to be green and brown, and yeah, it is green. So it's got mold in it.
It was in a container called the Tecumseh.
Oh, yeah. Might take a while to drain it like this, but
Just let her drip. We got to charge the battery anyway.
oh yeah, nice and dark. Don't see any water on it though, so that's good.
What's the level good?
I didn't even look at that. Yeah, it looks about right. Close enough.
Good enough to try to crank it. Yes. The tank is empty. The charger going on the battery here. I don't know what the flashing means. What's it mean on your battery status if it's flashing? Just mean it's charging?
No, it means it's dead.
Yeah, okay.
All you can do is keep trying. It's probably gonna be so dead it won't do anything. Oh, it's trying. Whoa. Oh, charged. I don't think so. I doubt it. Of course, you never know. It could be if he threw it on the charger this year or something.
Yeah?
Well, I guess we got some
Doing
juice.
stuff. So.
It's doing something.
You still want your camera going here?
Yeah.
Set you back up.
Just give her a splash of old fuel here that I've filtered out, and it's probably dirtier than what just came out.
Oh, nice, nice. Oh, there we go.
Flush any chunks out.
And we're dripping.
It'll really clog up the filter.
Yeah. So now you're trying to back flush me? Yeah.
Hopefully it.
Hey, you're using the tripod I gave you.
Yep. Another freebie. I'm just a cheap bastard.
Hell yeah.
Now this is just gonna go everywhere.
You're slinging back there.
Yep, I'd say the filter's clogged.
You going up store and buy a new one? Then get your wiper blades?
No.
Are you waiting for someone to offer some free ones on Craigslist?
Yeah. You are way too productive for this.
Well, I don't do shit at my own house. I mean, stuff at my own house. I come here and do things. Well, that smells wonderful. I'm screwing. The camera's still rolling too. Ah, right down the throat of the beast.
Just come off.
That's what 13 horsepower looks like if you were an air molecule just before it devours you.
Yeah.
What's the stuff down in there?
Looks like what I sprayed up there. It's really flooded.
Where's your throttle control there? It's dripping down.
Choke.
You got a little bit of water or oil, something coming down out of it. Of course, it may just be gas.
Don't see it doing much.
It's going a little faster now.
Oh, there it is. It's open now. Oh, I see. Yeah, the choke's working now. Give a click, you said?
Push the pedal in.
Choke.
Better than it was doing before.
So, no juice though.
Battery's pretty much toast.
Yeah.
People start flying the future and keep our fingers crossed. Got two cameras rolling so it don't blow up. Sit for a minute. Just say.
No.
She was recording again.
It's the same ratchets that my mom and dad bought me years ago, before I could even drive. I actually like it. They usually work. Cheap, but they...
I always go through every once in a while and buy one of these little cheap kits, but then they all get mixed up and I wind up.
So I always end up putting these ones back in here, but I only grab it when I'm working, like out here or something when I need. Oh, she's pretty oily. Clean her up.
Yeah. Give her a good once over.
Sandpaper to it.
We're plugging.
Man, look at that. Was that a 1-inch pipe?
Oh yeah. She got to flow real nice.
That boy. Hog out that muffler here some before.
Oh, you're bleeding too. Oh yeah. Yeah.
No, we're doing this. It's kind of puffing.
Puff, yeah, the compression's good.
Try it one more time real quick.
Oh, there you go.
Try a little shot of fluid. Just the same.
Yeah, sure.
You hear it pop.
Spit up in my face. Woohoo. Wait till I'm cranking and then spray it.
Okay.
Puddle stuff in there still. I don't know.
If it doesn't work, forward. Where's the white walls? Watch the ladder.
Another vehicle in your garage now. Or your garage.
So it's a little place.